Hey guys, in my today's video I'm going to show you how to use proper hand over hand. So a lot of people, they make mistake when it comes to the turn. They don't know how to turn their steering wheel properly and they make mistakes. So to do a proper hand over hand, make sure that you will use your steering wheel properly. So your hands position has to be at 9-3 position. And if you're turning left, you're going to use your right hand first. And if you're going to turn right, you're going to use your left hand first. So we always use our opposite hand first. So let's say if I want to turn left, I'm going to use my right hand first and I'm going to turn like this and the other hand on the top. So it's called hand over hand. And then I'm going to finish my turn like this. If I'm turning right, I'm going to use my left hand first. So I will turn this way and other hand on the top, and then I will recover my wheel like this. And one more thing, that don't turn your wheel like that and don't recover your wheel like that. So when you do this way, there is chances that you're going to hit to the other cars, because so every turn going to be a different turn. So at some places might be you have to turn a lot and some places you have to turn a little. So watch my hand movements and then see how much I'm turning. So I'm coming out from the parking and I need a little turn. So, and then loosen up your wheel. And then we're gonna make a right turn. And then loosen up your wheel so that your wheel can come straight. We are turning right again, hand over hand, and then we will loosen up our wheel. So now I'm making left turn and hand over hand, and then loosen up your wheel. So turn as needed. So you have to watch how much turn is required. So every turn gonna be a different turn. So you have to read how much turn is required and then you're gonna turn accordingly. So I'm making few turns again. So this much turn and then I will bring it back. Now there is a turn coming up, but there is no need to turn a lot. So I'm going to turn accordingly. So you have to try to read how much turn is required and then you will turn accordingly. So I'm going to turn left here. And then loosen up your wheel. And you will push gas a little so that you can recover your wheel nicely. Don't push a lot of gas at the turn, because when you will push gas at the turn, you're gonna lose control. So it's called BTS, brake, turn, speed. And then loosen up your wheel. That's how you will turn your wheel while driving. So make sure that you will have a good grip on the wheel, because that's the key. Don't shake your wheel a lot. People while driving, they shake a wheel a lot. So don't do it. Hold it tight and make sure that you will do proper turns. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.